So we all know that retirement is very important, and many of us consider what to do with our retirement to ensure a great experience when we get to those years. But what happens to all that hard work and all those finances after the fact when you're gone, right? So today I have Ron Roberts with Roberts Retirement Group here to give us some really effective pointers on how to manage our estate and what action things that we have to do to make sure that that is effective for us. So great having you here with us today.
Thank you, Clarissa. Glad to be here.
Absolutely. So let's talk about the will and trust. This is often emphasized in estate planning. Can you tell us why these are so important to protect our assets, distributing accordingly?
Yes, I appreciate asking that question. The reason you hear often wills and trusts is because people's assets, which includes their homes, their investments, their retirement accounts, they're titled in their names initially. And so when they pass, the question is, where does these assets go? And that's the reason why we have this thing called probate court. And at probate court, with a probate judge, they determine where the assets would go. So that's the reason why trusts and wills are in place, because you're able to change the ownership or the name of your assets into the name of your living trust. And therefore, when you pass, the assets are held in trust for the benefit of your beneficiaries. So that's the purpose of wills and trusts, is to avoid probate and have the transfer go to the people that you love.
Very good. And we want to make it as simple as possible for those that we love, and also for them to get the most bang for all the money, all the bucks that we earn throughout our lives, right? So how can we minimize estate taxes to preserve more wealth for our heirs, for our loved ones?
That's correct. And so, however, our estate tax exemptions are pretty high right now. Therefore, many folks will never have to worry about estate taxes. Now, however, individual states may have their own what they call inheritance tax. So that's kind of a state-by-state thing. But one of the benefits of a living trust is you're able to, with appropriate setup with your living trust, you're able to double your exemptions for estate taxes. So that's one of the strategies that they use with a living trust, is you're able to have a trust made for what they call an A and B trust, which doubles the exemptions from estate taxes.
Okay, well, this is all very helpful information, even for someone like myself who hasn't really dove into this topic much, but I know it's important for me to take plans of action now. I need to get my will in order, power of attorney, all those great things. But we're going to leave it to the pros, right? So how do we get in touch with you if we're looking for more information?
Yeah, you can reach us on our website is robertsretirement.com. Our email address is roberts@robertsretirement.com.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time today. We appreciate you sharing your expertise and look forward to that benefiting everybody who has the pleasure of watching today. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Clarissa.
Thank you.